Hello everyone, how are you all? Yeah, this is Collegetown, Ithaca, New York. This is the South Building. This is the South Building, Cornell University. Yeah, this is the South Building. Yeah, this is Collegetown, Cornell University, Ithaca, New York. Yeah, this is close to Rochester and Niagara. I just came here to drop my daughter. Yeah, this is very nice place actually. So this is everything is called the college town. Yeah. So most of the evening parties is this location. This is very close to the college campus. So I don't have time. I'm just dropping to my daughter today, and I'm going back to Virginia because it's take like 6 hours to 6.5 hours. Depends on the traffic. So I'm going to drive alone. So that's why I did not even go to college campus. Next time, so I will definitely go and take the video. Yeah, this is very less population. The Ithaca total population is I think around 30,000. Within that, like the 20,000 is the college students. Yeah, this is very nice campus actually. I'm just going back to Virginia again. This is everything is in Ithaca. Thank you. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like the video, please like and share and also subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for supporting my channel. Yeah, this is everything is Ithaca, New York, Cornell University. I'm going back to Virginia again. Thank you everyone.